Open your eyes. Hello, YouTubers. Today is a fun day because I get to set up my robot to do my dirty work. Yes. Yeah, that's what robots are good for. Putting people out of business, and they like to do the crappy jobs. That's why DeeBot, I'll probably call it DeeBag. I don't know. But let's check it out. First you open it, paperwork, don't need it. Inside, a wonderful robotic being, DeeBag. Yes. Look at that. Robotics. Everybody needs more robotics in their life. So today I just got to set it up, throw the brushes on. Comes with a charger. The crazy thing about this is it needs a meter on either side and 2 meters in front. That'd be wide open for it to dock on this. So I think we're gonna put it underneath this little bench right here that we have in our living room, and it can sit right here. Not quite the right amount of space, but we'll see if it works. Another little thing I found out reading about this is it doesn't like cords and little tassel-y carpets, which we don't have much either, so we're good there. There. Put its brushes on. Some eyeballs. Kind of looks like the visor from RoboCop. Remember his little visor? Kind of looks like that. Or Jordy even. Little nerd thing there. I'll look it up and see what she does. I gotta charge it for 4 hours, so I'll hook the little, I don't know what that tape was for. Oh, little on-off switch. Okay. But I'll charge it for 4 hours and then we'll see what happens. Plugged in, and it's supposed to just sit on here. Oh, there we go. We have life. DeeBag is on. DeeBag also comes with this awesome remote, but I have no idea what any of it does. I'll figure it out later. DeeBag also comes with extra brushes, filter, and a comb so you can groom your DeeBag robot. A little back scratcher. Yeah. And a bottle opener. I don't know. A handy dandy cardboard carrying case. In case you need to transport it from house to house or whatever. Take it for rides. I do want to inform you that DeeBot will not clean up cat puke or dog poop. However, it will easily move a gallon of water for those times when you need a drink delivered to you on the other side of the house. No problem. So definitely will carry around quite a heavy load if you need it to, with no problems. That's this button, spot clear. There's a bunch of other buttons too, Wi-Fi and around the edges of your room. As it should. DeeBot. Doing your dirty work. Got more work out of this thing than I did my kids. We'll try this one. Let's see what this does. Oh. close. Nice. Works underneath the couch. DeeBag is the best. This edge mode actually works pretty good. Best thing about it is you can control it like a remote control and make it go where you want it to go. So you can have a little control in your life if you want. Look at that. My wife's hair is already gumming it up. Well, we know that it picks up hair good. So you got that tool to brush it out. It does look a little bit like Jordy's visor or RoboCop. But it works pretty good. I make fun of this robot. I didn't really know what to expect, but it actually works pretty good. It has lots more features. I'm sure you can see more of that online. I just wanted to show off what robots should be doing. Our dirty work. Thanks for watching. And the best part about it is you can tell it to go home and it finds its way home. It's pretty amazing. DeeBag. Doing what robots should do. Our dirty work.